Hey guys, in this video I will show you Suno AI promo codes. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to use Suno AI promo codes, you have to follow these steps. First, go to the official Suno AI website and check the pricing or plan section. Sometimes they offer promotional discounts for new users or limited time deals directly on the site, so it's always worth checking there first. If you don't find anything there, the next step is to look for trusted coupon websites that list active promo codes for Suno AI. Go to saver.com and in the search bar type Suno and press enter. These platforms often collect and update discounts that may apply during sign up or checkout. Another simple method is to subscribe to the Suno AI newsletter. Many companies share exclusive promo codes, early access deals, or special offers directly through email, especially during updates, events, or product launches. Once you find a valid promo code, head over to the checkout page when purchasing your subscription. You'll see a field labeled promo code or discount code. Just enter your code there and apply it to see your updated price instantly. Keep in mind that promo codes can expire or have limited availability, so if one doesn't work, it likely means it's no longer active. In that case, you'll need to try another one or wait for a new promotion, and that's it. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.